Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Raymond MIG by Raymond Realty located in Dharmadhikari Road, MIG, Kalanagar, Bandra East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. Behind me is the actual land parcel of the project. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.5 acres that has total of 5 towers with basement, ground plus 19 residential floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located next to MIG Cricket Club, Bandra East, from where you have BKC only at a distance of 3 minutes, Bandra railway station is at a distance of 7 minutes, BKC Aqua Metro is at a distance of 2 minutes, Geo World Drive is at a distance of 2 minutes, Chetna College is at a distance of 2 minutes, and you have Mumbai International Airport at a distance of 9 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences, with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1100 to 1400 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1550 to 1950 square feet. And now, let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10 lakhs for 3 BHK and 4 BHK. This token comes with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts, and preference in inventory selection, which means token holders will be called first on the day of the launch to select their preferable flat. And also, this token will be 100% refundable, which means if the client doesn't want to go ahead for any reason, the token will be 100% refundable too. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Raymond MIG by Raymond Realty, located in Dharmadhikari Road, MIG, Kalanagar, next to Rustam G Seasons, Bandra East, Mumbai. If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.